about 7 or 8 years old, I remember excitedly telling one of my teachers the reason the sky is blue. Invisible gas molecules like nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide, as I learned from storybooks, not sponsored by the way, are struck by the sun's rays, which scatter short blue light waves in all directions, creating the view we all recognize and we all know and love. To my surprise, instead of agreeing with me and providing me a single "good job" or "way to go," he looked at me straight in the eyes and told me that I was wrong. "Look, kiddo, that was great and all, but the sky is blue because it reflects off the ocean." I looked at him as if he had torn my entire leg off. Where in the world of God would that ever make any sense? In basic physics, there are generally about 3 basic properties of water. The first one is refraction, which is the effect you see when you put a straw into a glass of water. Light entering the water at an angle makes the objects appear bent. The second is dispersion, where different wavelengths are bent. In other words, think of this as the effect as the reason why you get to see the famous colors of the rainbow. Finally, we have the third one, which is reflection, which this one can clear up my teacher's confusion. Water's smooth surface helps provide a clear mirror-like image of the sky and its surroundings. The sky cannot do that. It is not even a smooth surface. Heck, I don't even know if you could even classify it or count it as a mirror. Looking back, I reflect on this moment as a personal example of how misunderstandings about basic scientific facts might contribute to the reason why the US ranks 12th among OECD nations in education systems.